development, well-known YouTuber Maridhas was arrested by the Chennai City Police on June 8 for allegedly posting a series of videos targeting the TVK government, Chief Minister Joseph Vijay and several ministers. According to officials, Maridhas was taken into custody from his residence in Surya Nagar and is being brought to Chennai. Police said that complete details regarding the specific sections under which he has been booked will be made available following further investigation. Sources in the police department stated that the cybercrime wing of the Chennai police registered a case against the YouTuber following continuous allegations and critical commentary posted online against the state government. Maridhas, who commands a significant following on social media, has frequently quoted controversy and has faced multiple police cases in the past. The arrest has triggered political reactions across Tamilnadu, with opposition leaders strongly condemning the action and accusing the TVK-led government of authoritarianism. Senior BJP leader Tamilnadu Soundararajan criticized the arrest while speaking in Tiruchirappalli. She questioned what she described as the government's shift in stance on freedom of expression after coming to power. Tamilnadu said that before assuming office, Chief Minister Vijay had spoken passionately about freedom of expression and had condemned the arrest of individuals who voiced opinions against the government. However, she alleged that the current administration was exhibiting intolerance towards criticism. The arrest has intensified the political debate over freedom of expression and government's handling of criticism on social media, with opposition parties raising concerns about democratic rights and freedom of speech in the state. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.